Now for all you bike guys, flyby, and it is a contoured. I think I have one, maybe two of these type of bikes. These racers with streamlined features will leave the competition in the dust. And it's the colors that really jumped out at me. I said, oh, I gotta have that. Look at that, I love that, the way you see that, the way it turns, that's awesome. Sorry guys. Alright, so plastic on steel, love that, that's so cool. It's a very nice bike, sweet. Look at the detail, just awesome. That is nice. A little heavy, but it's sweet. Just good. Good looking bike. Very nice. Contoured flyby motorcycle. I like it, guys.